Hey, can you go shopping with me today to pick out fabric for my quilt?
Ooh, I'm making kits for my color workshop. Why do you ask?
Well, my cousin from the Quilt Guild can't.
Why can't you go alone?
She helps me pick out fabrics for my quilts. I get so frustrated doing that. Sometimes I just settle for the kit, even if I don't like the colors. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and there was a time I asked an employee for help with colors, and they handed me a color wheel. Like, I don't know how to use that.
I'm sorry. I get it. I worked in quilt shops. I would answer questions like that all day.
Really?
Yeah, you are not alone. You should take my quilter's color workshop. It would be perfect for you.
I don't want any more UFOs.
I hear that? Nope, it is scraps, poster board, glue stick. These exercises teach you how to do what your cousin does by instinct, how to pick out beautiful colors and fabrics for your quilt projects.
Are they really complicated?
These. They're actually these. These.
I can do that.
Yeah, so when you go pick out fabrics again, you will go with knowledge of how color works, clarity for what you're looking for, and the confidence to come away with colors and fabrics that you love.
Wow, really?
Yep, and you know Kim, Diane, Judy, Sarah, they have all taken this workshop.
Ooh, I like their quilts.
I've taught this workshop to guilds all across the country. It would be perfect for you.
Okay, I'm signing up now.
Awesome.
Do you still want to go to the fabric shop with me?
Definitely.